being a contract organization, we are subject to inspection, very frequent inspections, both from clients and from authority, because at each new product that it need to be launched in our facility, the client needs probably 2 or 3 inspections, audits, before we can launch the product, because they want to be absolutely sure that we stand up to their quality requirements. And despite you might think that GMPs are global or are, let's say, Europeans, let's say there are many caveats and many things that you can set up on your own and could not have the perfect alignment that the client wants to their own quality system. So they want to be, let's say, aligned to the greater extent in that sense. So not to be 100%, so we are not copying quality systems, because that's not possible. Imagine if you will have 100 clients, you will have 100 quality systems, but you need to have quality system developed enough, let's say, to the point that is compliant with all 100 clients. And this is very challenging, and this is very challenging also for a quality management system. So you need to be at the top of the compliance at all time without any exceptions. That's the only strategy you can apply that. A good and positive thing is that we have already electronically available the documentation, so you can forward whatever the inspectors, the auditors are asking in relation to the inspection quite fast and quite efficiently. But what makes a lot of difference is when you are, let's say, having the inspection, so during the inspection, that you can, let's say, by consulting the system directly. So what we do choose always as a strategy is to be fully transparent, and during the inspections to have the system open in a big screen on a meeting room. And basically, we are, let's say, navigating the different documents throughout let's say, the quality system according to the needs and the need for inspection of the inspector. So which is the approach the inspector is following. Like concrete example here, I would like to see your batch record. From the batch record, I would like to see the training of that person. From the training of that person who executed work, I would like to see which is the background of that person. And from the background, then at that point only, we get into the papers. Otherwise, it's always digital, and you can do that in a matter of minutes. So that's a very appreciated by an inspector, because in the same amount of time you can go through much more things, and this is perceived for the inspector as a transparency. And this is what we like to show at the company. The system has been very effective to cope with the demands of the GMP requirements, has been very effective to cope with, let's say, the validation requirements. Let me say this, so far that has been inspected only once, the validation approach that you use. But I have some experience and expertise on validation of SaaS systems, and I can tell that I'm not fearing any gaps to be covered, as long from Minerva we are following very closely control of your changes over there. But out of that, the system has been very, very effective. So its effectiveness, what I will, let's say, emphasize as a main thing.